Hey everyone, I'm Jonas Devacht, a freelance illustrator and designer from Belgium, and in this video I'm going to show you how cloud documents work from Adobe. As you can see, I just wrapped up the line work for this illustration, but it would be good to see this on the big screen and check for any errors before moving on to coloring. Adobe Creative Cloud has got something really handy for that called Cloud Documents. This is a new feature in the Creative Suite where you can save files online in your own personal space. Not only that, but Fresco works in the same file system as Photoshop does. So that means, if I save my file as a cloud document from Fresco, I can seamlessly open it in Photoshop without any hassle. Let's go ahead and do that. Every document created in Fresco gets automatically saved as a cloud document. What we need to do to update this file is just simply save it. If we go back to the home screen now, you can see the document is currently uploading. When it's done uploading, it shows a green check mark. If we open up Photoshop on our computer and go to Cloud Documents, we can see our file is actually there. When we open up the file, you can see the layers are untouched and an exact one-on-one copy of what we have going on in Fresco. This is really handy if you like to keep your layers tidy and structured just like I do. Let's quickly fill in this illustration with white using the paint bucket tool. Let's then remove the parts we don't need with the magic wand set to sample all layers. Once we're done, we can save the file again and close down Photoshop. If we open up the file again in Fresco, we can see the changes that I have done on the computer. From there on, I can continue to work on this illustration, removing the white bits that I don't need. Cloud documents are especially handy for when you are traveling a lot or just like to draw in different places. It's all available in one single spot and in all your favorite Adobe apps. If you'd like to see more of my work, feel free to follow me on social media, which is at Jonas Devacht. Thank you for watching and have a great day.